Hello viewers, in this video we see about the prefabrication manufacturing procedures and its components and all. The prefabrication as defined will be done into the two stages: manufacturing at the factory condition and erection of components at the required location. This requires certain stages of preparation. They are casting, curing, transportation and erection. In casting, precast components are casted with controlled cement concrete in molds of required shape and sizes. The vibrator is used to vibrate concrete, and this removes any honeycombing inside the components. Curing. After 24 hours of casting, the casted components are released from the mold and transported off curing tanks. Certain special components like railway sleepers where high strength is required are steam cured. Next one is transportation and erection. After complete curing is done, the components are transported to the site with heavy trucks, and erection will be done using cranes with the skilled labor force. And what is the importance for standardization and modularization? Now we see. Standardization helps in reducing the varieties in size of similar components to facilitate assembly to the site to make the components interchangeable between different manufacturers. In prefabrication plant, standardization mainly focus on making standards in manufacturing process, materials, fits and tolerance. And modularization. The benefits of using modularization are numerous opportunities for shorter schedules, lower cost, less risk, increased quality, and greater construction flexibility for EPC, means engineering, procurement, and construction power projects. An integrated approach to EPC contracting lends itself to successful modularization programs because it allows for the unrestrained involvement of the constructor and designer during the three prime phases of the work. By implementing this coordinated approach using task teams and continuing process improvement, modularization concept can continue to be refined and successfully applied to the combined cycle projects. Now, what is the importance of this prefabrication? Importance is prefabrication, the assembly of buildings or their components at the location other than the building site. The method controls construction cost by economizing on time, wages, and materials. Prefabricated units may include doors, stairs, window walls, wall panels, floor panels, roof trusses, room-sized components, and even entire building. And prefabricated structures, their utility we can see is precast slabs, precast beams and girders, precast columns, precast walls, and some other elements we can see. And typical connections of this precast concrete elements, that is column to column connection and beam to column connection, slab to beam connection, wall panel connected to in situ concrete, and connection between the slabs, corner connections of wall panels, and connection of wall panels to columns. What is meant by columns and beams here? Columns. A column is a vertical member carrying the beam and floor loading to the foundation. It is a compression member, and therefore the column connection is required to the proper. The main principle involved in making column connections is to ensure continuity, and this can be achieved by a variety of methods. Beams. Beams can vary in their complexity of design and reinforcement from the very simple beam formed over an isolated opening to the more common encountered in frames where the beams transfer their loadings to the column. And in the next video we see the next topic. Thank you for watching this video.